There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and welcome back to my channel. You already know it's about time to slay. Girl, what's up? I hope you all having like a really great day when you're watching this video. You know, staying positive, staying motivated, staying out the way, and minding your business. I love y'all all. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for always being there for me, and just thank you for showing up. Okay. So today is one of my favorite wig companies. I have a few. These wigs are actually really affordable. Definitely come pre-everything. All you need to do is put the wig on and just go out the door if you choose to. You may want to change it up a little bit. Maybe you want your part different. It just depends on your preference. But girl, I'm here today just to wear it as is. This company, this wig company, they give the most bestest best supplies, amenities, whatever you want to call it when you order a wig from them, okay? Girl, y'all see me, I am adorned in the Ashimary robe, Ashimary bonnet. Ashimary will definitely come through for you. They have very nice units. I will list everything down below. Ladies, let me tell y'all, first of all, I did not take out my miracle knots. I left them in because, girl, I love the hairstyle, but I do love to throw on a wig. When I tell you I cornrowed the hell out of this braid down for my miracle knot so I could put this wig on today, I did that, okay? So this is what your wig will come like in the box, already ready to go. It'll be sealed like so. Definitely ready to wear. Ashimary has some really nice hair. They really do care. Girl, I got bars, okay? Like on some realness, I got some bars for y'all, you know. So just sign me up. Where's the contract at? Because I'm about to be on tour, okay? Anyway, so this is the unit. I can't really remember what the inches are, but I will definitely link it down below. But let me show y'all everything that it comes with. So your package will be gift wrapped like it's a present, okay? And I love getting stuff in the mail and finding extra goodies. Girl, yes. The Ashimary bonnet, Shimmery silk robe, comes with a comb, nice little care package, Shimmery edge brush, melting band that comes with the cups, bobby pins, some extra tape, individual clusters. These are really cute. Okay. Some individual cluster lashes. That's a plus. HD wig cap and just their pamphlet. So, girl, they give you a lot of nice amenities. I really do like these lashes a lot. I like the strips. I don't really like to put the clusters on like I used to, only because, girl, they balled in my eyes. Like when I tell you they balled in my eyes, they balled in my eyelids. My lashes was a nice length, my natural lashes. Now I just balded. So I've been trying to grow them back for like 2 years now. I mean, they did come back a little sparse, but girl, I need some more. But I do like the care package, the amenity package. If you need a robe, girl, you can look sexy in your bonnet with your matching robe, okay? Just don't wear the bonnet outside, please. Or the robe, okay? Now, inside the bag of the wig, it also does come with some tape as well. They already put some tape on here for you guys, and it also has their name, so that way you know it is a Shimmery wig. Also does have their elastic removable band inside. Girl, this is a gorgeous unit. Let's see what she do. She has removable combs, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. These combs are actually removable. There's slots where you can take them in and out. That's a plus, and then just put them back in real easy. I like that. I like that. This one in the back is not removable, which is fine because you definitely want it to stay down in the back. And then the best of the best of the best, say less, the drawstring, because y'all know y'all like drawstrings. Y'all know y'all like all the security that you can get. We got tape, we got combs, we got an elastic removable band, we got another comb, we got elastic drawstring, and we also got some rubber silicone gripping so that thing can stay down on the back of your neck. Okay, girl? What more do you need? We just need to put the wig on, okay? It's already been bleached for you, cut, lace, style. Girl, this wig is ready to go. Look at that color. This is a gorgeous color. So, girl, let's just jump into this because I think I've ran my mouth long enough, okay?
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she she knew. Like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
Y'all, look at this wig. Girl, when I tell you I am a shimmery girl, I am a shimmery girl, a shimmery out. From the bonnet, the robe, the melting band. Girl, listen, even my cup is matching a shimmery. They have some really good quality wigs. I love the fact that this was super easy to do. I really just wanted to refresh the curls and just curl it my way. But if that's not your preference and you like it straight out the box, that's perfect. But for me, I just wanted my curls to just get a little bit more refreshed. I didn't change the direction of the curls. I just went ahead and refreshed them a little bit and just pushed the baby hairs back just a tad bit. And that was about it. Girl, when I tell you this is a wig that you can put on and go, girl, you can put her on and go. Great lace, definitely HD Swiss, melted. Okay, baby, do you see the lace? Like where are you seeing the lace? You don't see the lace, right? Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. Tell you I look cute. I look cute. Okay. So like I tell y'all, if you gotta have a wig, do it big and make sure you have security. So if they try to snatch that, you going right along with the wig. Okay. But for real, y'all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And on that note, stay diva and divolicious. And if you stay to the very end, leave me a blue heart. I would definitely appreciate that so much. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Go, go, go.